The overall goal of this experiment is to record total sleep duration in a high-throughput and non-invasive manner.
This method could help answer key questions in the sleep field, such as total sleep duration. The main advantage of this technique is that it is high throughput, non-invasive, and easily executable. Demonstrating the procedure will be Abigail Lemons, a postbaccalaureate from the laboratory.
To begin the procedure, align a detector opposite to an emitter. Make sure the infrared beams are facing inwards and are aligned at the same height. Next, use the provided screws to position the detectors and emitters at the desired height on the metal stand. This height should be adjusted so that the bedding of the cage is below the level of the infrared beams, but the beam is at the proper height to detect the animal's activity. This creates an internal area of 27 centimeters by 32 centimeters. Then, connect each detector with each emitter. Connect the emitter to the provided hub linked to the receiver. Perform this for both the X and the Y planes. Repeat this for all setups. Afterward, connect the receiver to a computer with the provided USB hub. To set up the software, click File, then Open Experiment Configuration to open the default experiment configuration. Then, click Experiment, Properties. Subsequently, click the Scan tab. Change the scan rate to 10 seconds. Next, click the Activity tab.